Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Pack ID app and signing in with your scenic. This ensures the system links the photo to your record. Grant camera and storage permissions now so the app can save the image without interruptions. Once done, navigate directly to the ID verification or profile section and tap Capture Photo. I tell you this because skipping permissions causes error loops later, and launching the capture tool immediately puts you in the right mode to continue. You need to frame the photo precisely. Position your face inside the on-screen oval, keep your head straight, and look at the camera. Make sure the lighting is even. Natural light facing you works best, and avoid windows behind you that create silhouettes. Once your face is centered, tap the screen to autofocus and slide exposure if the image appears too dark. These adjustments help the app verify identity reliably, because facial features must be clear and evenly lit. When you're ready, tap the capture button gently and hold still for a fraction of a second so the app records a sharp image. Immediately review the photo. Ensure eyes are open, no glare on glasses, and the face is fully visible. If it looks off, use retake and make small lighting or angle adjustments. Finally, submit the approved photo and wait for confirmation. If verification fails, retry with brighter, frontal lighting and remove any accessories that block facial features.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.